Now stepping on the main topic, that is ellipse, but before going to this one, I am just trying to make you understand with the help of a figure, okay, and we are just, you can say, with the help of a experiment. Now just look here, here are the 2 points, okay, these are the 2 magnets I have taken. You can take whatever you wish. Now there should be no tension in the thread. So if we are having like this one, you can just check it what I am getting. Is it clear? Now this becomes a oval shape. Now in this oval shape, now you can just check it, we are having, just look here, this is the same figure which is here. Now in this figure we are having, one is we are having here, that is F1 and F2. Now suppose this is F1, this is F2, suppose this is point P, P1, here is P2, here is P3, or you can write in any manner. Is it clear? Now what this figure says? This figure says if P1 F1, P1 F1 and P1 F1 and P1 F2, when they are added, this distance is equal to F1 to P2, P2 to F2, this distance is equal to F1 to P3, P3 to F3. Now I have already given you a figure, and what the distance was? It was the same distance. Which the distance was? This one. Is it clear? So if we are having this one like this one here from these two, and we are taking P3, same what we did it, just look here. Now taking this part, now suppose we are having this as P1. So from F2 to P1 plus P1 to F1 distance is same. If we are coming on this part here, then also distance is same. You can go anywhere, the distance will be same, and with this distance, same distance, we are getting a figure. That figure is called ellipse. Okay. Now a definition part, an ellipse is the set of all points in a plane, the sum of whose distances from 2 fixed points, from F1 and F2, these 2 are the fixed, from 2 fixed points in the plane is constant. The 2 fixed points are called the foci, plural form of the word focus. Is it clear? Now if you remember, in the hyperbola we were having focal distance was same. In the ellipse we are having that distance from, suppose we are from this one and this one, this will be same equal to this one, this one, this will be same equal to this one, this one. Is it clear? So formation of this figure is called ellipse.